Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the AWS. So today we are going to learn how to upload images with the help of the Node.js in the S3 bucket. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started how to upload the images on the Node with the help of the Node.js in AWS S3 bucket. So let's get started. So here we have the code. So this is basically a simple code, so let me explain you all the things. Okay, so here we have the full-fledged. First of all, we have to make directory aws bucket cd aws bucket npm init to create the packet.json file, touch server.js to create a server.js file, npm I aws sdk, we need to install this package, then express, then multer, then multer s3. So all these three packages we need to install. After that, we have to add node server.js. Previously we are getting this issue. I have already fixed this issue in the previous video, and you need to check this video, previous one, and you will get this answer of that one. Okay, so this done. Now we have to add the code in the aws server.js file. So we have a aws sdk express multer s3. So here we have the ss key id. So where you get it, I already explained in the previous video that how to get the ss key id and the secret ss key. And this is my bucket name. So we have this one bucket, my bucket name, where I need to upload the images. So previously I want to delete the images over here, so I'm going to delete the images. So here we have this one, I'm going to add permanently delete, because it costing. If I am not going to I'm not using it, it is already there, so it consumes the costing. So deleting the objects, so there is no images right now in this one. So I'm going to the s3 bucket again, and I will check it is empty or not. After that, this is my this one bucket, so you can see that okay, there's no objects. Okay, so this is the code where we have add the ss key id bucket, this one, and this is the s3 bucket name. We have two file, this one and the key. This is the two apis where we have to upload single image and the multiple images. So and now I'm going to upload the images with the help of this upload keyword. I'm going to open the postman. We have this one upload, and this I'm going to select one of the images, this one. Okay, send this images, uploaded. Now you can see that if I go and just check this one, now this is the image. If I go and just open it and trying to open it, it will not going to open it because of the ss denied. I want to make it public to see that image. So here we have the options. So we have a permissions, we have a edit, here we have a read, and here I understand this one, and just save the changes. Now make it the url visible, so you can see that it will download, and you can see that the image is this one. Okay, so this is how we are able to upload the images. Let's take a look of the multiple images we are going to upload at one time. So here we have the another code that is called this one, that is upload in the form of the array. So I need to add multiple photos over it. Okay, so you have, this is the multiple upload, and upload dot array, this is single in the multi. If there's a single and this is the array, so you need to send the multiple photos and it will successfully upload it over there. Okay, so this is how we are able to upload the images in the aws with the help of the s3 bucket. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is also linked with my previous three videos, so you need to follow all these videos to get run this multi functionality or aws uploading image. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.